Guys, we're here. We're live. Can't believe we're actually doing this. Shout out to Kate for videoing the run. We're on our way there right now. We're gonna meet about 10-15 guys from all over the state. We're stoked about it, so it's gonna be a good morning.
What's this man eating? Honey Crunch gingerbread?
Alright, so we're up here at LBL in Kentucky, and we're doing a point-to-point long run. So we got a lot of guys from several colleges, a few high schoolers out here. You're gonna have a lot of fun today.
So the plan is we're taking off from Wooden Wave here. We're going point to point, so we're gonna have the van, and then Jerry's driving this car. And as guys just get done with their mileage, they'll just hop in the van. I think that we have one guy maybe going 10, and then Titus is going the farthest 19. So we'll be all over the place. It's gonna be a good one.
Jean running shorts?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Dude, that's sick.
The van out there, just pop at that, and then back about 3.5 in. Everybody's feeling good. We're chilling right now, 720 pace.
Right now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm hurting. I can't let the viewers see me dropping out, so we're finishing out today. Yeah.
That's the name of that little area, Devil's.
We're God's country, baby.
14.5 in here. It's getting hard. We're staying in it. Catch up with you later.
basically maroon.
How was it, boys?
Here.
It's pretty good, a lot of fun. Good to have a big group out here today. That's a lot of fun. We don't really normally have about half of that or maybe a little less, so it's a lot of fun. Nice to hit the hills, have a couple of guys on the bike. I got 19 miles in today. That's the farthest I've ever gone, so I'm pretty pumped about it.
Biker gang.
Good. I got in a little cyclocross.
There you go.
That'll wear you out, but
so,
yeah.
It started raining and we got soaked, but then it stopped raining. So
we
it
were
was pretty much
still
just
soaked.
cold and soaked. But it was good.
It's good. I enjoyed the momentum of the whole group. It was cool to have everybody there to push you along.
Nice. How many miles did you get in?
I got 14.
14? That's incredible.
Hope won't say this, but she grinded out with most of the guys. So she's an animal.
That's
She's gonna have a
awesome.
good spring season.
Sick. What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, it was a fun one today. I ended up doing 18. So we had a nice solid group through 15, and then Titus and I did the last few together, and he ended up doing a mile more than me. But it's real nice to have a group like this to get together, because a lot of us don't. There's a lot of uncertainty about the seasons and everything, so it's nice to have something solid and a nice group to support you, to give you some motivation to get out there and grind on these hills.
All right, guys, we're here at Martha's. We come here every Saturday after our long runs. Some great home cooking here in Murray, Kentucky. So, and also, by the way, if any of my teammates see this, the reason I'm wearing a USI t-shirt is because my sister drove off with my car with all my clothes. So I always rep Moorhead. Go Eagles, baby.
No,
Screaming
Eagles, he's transferring. We're taking him. We're taking him.
All right, so guys, really important thing about a long run is fueling up afterwards. Start with a nice cup of Joe, some black coffee. Then we got 3 chocolate chip pancakes, already smashed one of them, and some syrup and butter. We're all feeling really good. Martha's, best place in Murray, hands down, to eat breakfast. So if you're ever in Murray, Kentucky, hit it up. Tyson, anything to add?
Yeah, I got some grits here. I know Josh here's a big hater of grits. We got a lot of haters of grits out
Cancel.
there, but I really enjoy grits. So there's my plug for grits for the day.